Getting a refund from Cash App can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Go to the Activity tab, which is usually represented by a clock icon. Scroll through your transaction history to find the payment you want to request a refund for. Step 3. Select the transaction. Tap on the specific transaction that you wish to refund. This will open up the details of that payment, providing you with more options. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the 3 dots icon or the refund option on the transaction details page. Tap on it and then select Refund to initiate the refund request. Step 5. Confirm the refund. Follow any prompts to confirm your request. You may receive a notification once the refund is processed, or you can check back in the Activity tab to see the status. If you encounter any issues or if the refund is not processed, consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance.